Hello guys, in this video we'll be making a custom dynamic tag for Elementor. It's very simple to do. I will be trying to keep this short and just cover the basics here. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is decide whether you want to have this in your theme or create it as a plugin. The downside of having it in your theme is in case you want to change the theme, then you would have to move the files around and do everything all over. The better way to go about this, I would say, is to create your own plugin and just install it on any website you have. So that's what we're doing here. We have created a plugin here called Custom Dynamic Tag. So let's get into it and see what we have. The main file we have here is the custom dynamic tag file, and this is the main plugin file. This is what holds the plugin name, description, version, author, website, and whatnot. So what we're doing here is we're checking if Elementor is installed and activated, and if it's not, then we will be throwing an error. But once we've done that, the main thing that this file does is include another file, which is the plugin.php file we have here. So here what we're doing is we're hooking on to this action here, and we're registering our own dynamic tags. So here I've made my own group, which is called my custom dynamic tags. And after that, I've just included the dynamic tag file that I've already made. And then finally, we just register the tag. This is all you need to do. Everything else is just in the dynamic tag itself and how you want it to function. So here I've made an example tag, and what it does, it takes two inputs, input 1 and input 2, and then just adds them together. And this is everything the tag does. I'm trying to keep it simple for the sake of this video. So yeah, let's see how this looks once we activate the plugin and run the tag. So we go to plugins. We should see our plugin. We click activate. And then we go to a page where we can test this. I have my test page here. Okay, so now I'll be grabbing a text here and adding a custom dynamic tag here. As you can see, I have my custom dynamic tags. This is what we had here. And here's my tag, example tag. And this is the tag that we have here. So as you can see, we have two inputs here, add control. And here are the inputs. So we can do like 5 plus 10, and that should output 15. That's everything this tag does. So let's just go over it and see what we have here in terms of functions. So the first thing we have is the name. This is the actual unique name for the tag. And the second thing is the title, and this is what we see in Elementor. The third thing is the group, and this is the custom group that I've made here. Again, this is my custom dynamic tag group. So this tells it to add it to that group. The fourth thing here is the category where this tag should show up. So in this case, we're in a text field, so that's just what we need. Here we have the controls. We have two of them here, input 1 and input 2. Both of them are numbers, and we're not doing anything complicated here. The final thing is the render function here, which actually outputs everything you see. So we're actually getting the input 1 setting from this control and input 2 from this control. And we're just checking if they're not empty, then we're adding them together and echoing that out. It's very simple. You could do really complicated things with this. I'm just trying to keep it simple for the sake of this video. I will be providing all of this code in my GitHub, so I will leave a link to that. And you for watching.